So this is my second session here on target 1475-4010. I did some work, I turned it in, I was told to continue some work, so no feedback yet, but see what else we can get on this target. 1475-4010. 1475-4010. See this as a rounded type feature, like that. It's my first capture. One 1475-4010. 1475-4010. Seeing these lines like this. It's my second capture. One 1475-4010. Third visual ideogram. Something like that. It's my third capture for this target. 1475-4010. Visual. There's like an area here, a shape like that. Sounds. I hear like the sound of like dirt, particulate. You know, like when dirt blows in the air, like whoosh, you hear the little particulate parts moving around. Something in the wind, dirt in the wind. Smells. I get, again, like land, particulate, like kind of like sandy dirt. Temperatures would be, I get warm. Textures would be particulate, gravel, dirt, land. Land. Stop that. 1475-4010. There's some feature there. The shape here, like this. Sounds kind of like a shifting noise. Smells. Textures would be, yeah, I get like rocky, hard. Textures, again, I'm getting the like particulate, dirt, sand, textures there. S3. So there's some kind of land here. Like I'm getting, land, kind of like dusty, craggy, bumpy type land. But then there's like somewhere there's like a feature. I'm getting like a circular shape. I don't know how this goes. Some kind of shape there. I get like a hiss, a crackle, rough, bumpy, kind of like craggy, dry, yeah, just like dirt, particulate, blowing, a little bit of like wind, blowing stuff. There may be some like life at this target at some point. Some parts feel like darker, kind of like a little enclosed at times. So that's my S3. I'm gonna land one. This thing will go land 2. Structure in the something in the back, and maybe we'll try and look at this life. But this is seems to be the important, seeing this the most. I want to get a view of this land. I want to see this I want to see this clearly. I want to get a view of this. Come on. Land. L-A-N-D 1. I want to get a visual here. Yeah, I just see this as a hole. I don't know how else to explain this, but it feels man-made. Man-made. Sounds, smells, craggy textures, like the lip, bumpy cragginess. What is it? Not a landfill, but I get like buried, like deposit, uncover. So there might be something like buried or covered or deposited in here. What would be deposited? What would be that? What would be in there? Why are we looking at this? Buried. Deposited. So there's something, I see a feature, like a circular type feature, and yeah, I get the sense of like, almost like a landfill, not like, something might be buried or deposited in here, and for some reason we're looking at this. I'm supposed to know something about this. Okay, let's look at this land 2. Or this, I'm going to call it land 2. I'm calling land 2. Seeing this circular type feature, I want to get a visual here. Land 2. L-A-N-D 2. Land 2. Okay, this, I don't know. This looks like, to me, this is like a, it's not a sinkhole, but the land's here, and there's something here. Goes down like this. Some kind of depression, something in the land. Sounds are I don't want to say like crumbling, but sound, smells. I just got like sand, some dirt, some sand. Textures would be seeing a lot of like bright tan color. What is it? I don't want to say like a. It's like a. Like there's like a depression in the land, or there's some kind of depression here. Why would we be looking at this? So I see kind of like this circular type feature. It looks almost like a hole, a sinkhole, or I don't want to call it a sinkhole, but there's a hole there in the land. I get like a sense of like excavate. I don't know, but makes me think of like a landslide, like. But I get like excavate. I get like scientific. Why would we be looking at this? Okay, I get like under. I don't want to say buried, but a sense of like underneath, underground, that kind of sense I'm getting here. Why would we be looking at this? What's so important about this land feature? Yeah, I get like underground or underneath. So something going on there, maybe.